Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a heart in Inventor. First things, you need to open a new part, just like this, and in this menu you can choose the part to be in different measurements. So I'm going to choose the standard millimeter because I'm from Europe. Then you're gonna start a 2D sketch. Select the XY plane. It doesn't matter which one you select, just different view. Then you can use the rectangle, 2-point rectangle, and just make a rectangle. Then go to dimension. So this part you're gonna have to choose your dimension for the heart. Mine is gonna be like 35 times 35. Now that that's set, you're gonna use the circle, which is up here. Find the middle point here and drag it all the way to this corner. And just click. Do the same thing on this side. Center point and drag it all the way up. Now that you have that, you're gonna press escape and you're gonna use the trim option. You're gonna trim this and this, and you can't trim this, but you can click escape, click on this and delete. Now it doesn't need to be fully constrained, so we can just finish sketch and extrude and it will be a heart, or we can go back and actually rotate the heart. So the rotate is simple. You have to select it, click the point that you want to rotate it, and you can rotate it like you want. We're gonna rotate it 45 degrees, which you can see here, so it's center, and done. We can now finish sketch. Now we can extrude, and 10 millimeters is, you can extrude it like 100 millimeters and how much you want. Also, if you want to add any writing on it, you can go new sketch, add text, and you can write whatever you want. Now you may be wondering, how do I like emboss? You can emboss it here with this option, but you just have to go finish sketch and you do emboss, and then you can select it. Either you can pop it out or extrude it in, however you want, and you select the depth. You can say like 5 millimeters. Just be careful then it doesn't go through all, so you can pop out. Or if you want it to go in, select it to go in and it will go in. But we're not gonna deal with that right now. Now what we need is some technical documentation about this heart. What you want to do now is save it, and save it somewhere on your computer, doesn't matter really where. I'm gonna save it on desktop, if I can click it. Now what you want to do is file, new, create new, and then go down here and should be down here somewhere, iso.dwg, and select the template that you want to use. We're gonna use the A2 format. Click OK. Now we can just delete this, and this is how you enter the heart in. You click on base, and here's the heart view from the front, and then you move down, and this is the top view. You move to the side, this is the side view, and then have the 3D view of the heart. You can change the views by clicking on it, selecting it, and then edit view, and you edit view by clicking on this box. What you want to do now is go back to the heart. You want to go here to File, Export, and CAD format if you want to 3D print it out or put it in some other machine. You're gonna select this box and select STL or OBJ file, or whichever it fits to your program. We're gonna use today the STL file, and save it. So when you've done all that, you wanna open the process slicer, and it will show something like this. Now you want to add object, and select your object or STL file from the place you saved it, which is this heart. Now it's tiny, and we can change that by scaling it up. We can use this orange block and scale it up. We can move it around, we can however we want. When we've done that, we scaled it up. Now what we want to do is slice now. So this shows in layers. We can see all the layers it's gonna be printed as in 3D printer. You have to select your printer here, add printer. It's gonna ask you when you download the program which printer you have. Normal mode is 15 minutes. You can change the infill to 5% to lower the time, but it's gonna be less quality. Or you can rise infill and it's gonna be better quality, but take more time. When you're happy what you got here on this plate, you can just press export G-code and save it wherever you want, and then later put it in your printer and just let the printer do the work. So guys, this is it for now. More tutorials are coming soon, and if you have any questions or tutorial suggestions, post them down below and I'll see you later.